this video I'm going to talk on how to find the projection of vectors. So which is a projection of vectors. So the projection of vector A on another vector B is given as what? Is given as vector A dot vector B all over magnitude of B. So if you are given two vectors and you are asked and one of the vector is projected on another one, so just dot the vectors and over the magnitude of the vector which the first one is projected on. So that means this vector here, the projection is just like A, vector A is projected on what? Is projected on vector B. So dot the two vectors together. So we dot the two vectors together and over the magnitude of what? Over the magnitude of the vector which the first vector is projected on. So we are going to treat these questions here. So I'm having one to two questions here. So the first one is the projection of we are asked to find the projection of vector of this vector on the what? On the vector, on this vector. That is, this vector is projected on this vector. So we are asked to find the projection. So this is vector A is I, while vector B so and we've known that the projection of vector A onto vector B is given as vector A dot vector B, as this here, all over the magnitude of B of vector B. So that means we are going to find what? Find the dot of these two vectors. So the dot of these two vectors, the scalar product of it is just 2i multiplied by 2i. Here we have 4. So I multiplied by I is 1. So we didn't need to bring it. J multiplied by J is also 1. K multiplied by K is also 1. So just multiply the coefficient. So this minus 3 multiplied by 2 will give us minus 6. That is the dot. So the dot I dot I is 1. J dot J is 1. That is the K scalar product. K dot K is 1. So the dot product is just like we are multiplying. So this is I dot I, 2 dot 2, which is 4, 3 dot 2, which is minus, that is minus 3 dots minus 2, which is minus 6, minus 6 dot minus 1, that is minus 1 here, this plus 6. So here we are having this as what? 4. Let's cancel this. So we have the scale. Now we have to find what? We have to find the magnitude of B. So magnitude of B is just the root of B. So that is 2 squared plus 2 squared plus minus 1 squared, which is the same thing as root of 4 plus 4. Then this is square of 1 is 1. This is plus 4 plus 1. So that is a root of 9, which is equal to what? 3. So the projection of this vector is just the scalar. The scalar product is 4, and the magnitude of B, which the vector A is projected on, is what? Is 3. So we have 3 over 4 as our projection. So we have what? We have 4 over 3. So the answer here is B. So let's quickly solve the second question here too. The second question here. So the same procedure. We have to find the scalar projection of these two vectors. So vector A. So let's quickly find our A dot B. So H dot B is given as so the two vectors here will dot. So we have 3 multiplied by 1. So we have 3. That is 3 dot 1. So we have 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2. We have what? Minus 2. and we have plus 4 plus 1 multiplied by minus 3, have minus 3. So we have minus 3 here. This is 3 multiplied by 1i, we have it as 3i. So 2 multiplied by 2i, we have it as 4i. Sorry, this is 4. This is 4. This is 4. So we have this one as this. So this we cancel this. So the dot will be what? Minus 4. So we have to find what? We have to find magnitude of this. So we have to follow this formula again. We have to find the magnitude of this. So the magnitude of b is given as root over 1 square plus 2 square. So minus 3 square, which all is still positive. Since we're having square, this will be positive too. So the magnitude of b, so just 1 square, 2 square, and minus 3 square, which is this. We have 1 plus 4 and plus 9, which is the same thing as root of 14. That is this, root of 14. So therefore, the projection of the two vector a, which is the projection of vector a to vector b, will now be what is given as the magnitude of b. So that means we have what? Our dot here is minus 4. So and the scale and the what? And the magnitude of b is what? Root of 14. So that means we have this as our answer. So we have this C as our answer. So that is all about how to find the projection of two vectors which are projected on another. So just try to know the formula here. If vector is projected on another, just find the scalar and find the magnitude of the first one is projected on. So if we do what, just put the magnitude over the scalar product of the two vector over the magnitude of the one which the first vector is projected on. So here I'm having with me test yourself question. So try to test yourself and drop your answer in the comment box below. So try to solve for this and drop your answer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Try to subscribe. Try to drop your answer fast so as to tell us that you understand what the video is trying to pass to you. So thank you very much. Try to subscribe for more and more videos on maths and others. So try to solve this and drop your answer. Thank you.